admit, admit. To confess to be true or to acknowledge. Advocate, advocate. To publicly recommend or support. Articulate, articulate. To express an idea or feeling fluently and coherently. Attribute, attribute. A quality or feature regarded as a characteristic or inherent part of someone or something. To regard as belonging to or caused by. Collect, collect. To gather together. Connect, connect. To bring together or into contact so that a real or notional link is established. Conform, conform. To comply with rules, standards, or laws. Context, context. The circumstances that form the setting for an event, statement, or idea, and in terms of which it can be fully understood. Coordinate, coordinate. To bring the different elements of a complex activity or organization into a harmonious or efficient relationship. Critique, critique. To evaluate a theory or work of art in a detailed and analytical way. Cultivate, cultivate. To prepare and use land for crops or gardening. To try to acquire or develop a quality, skill, or interest. Dedicate, dedicate. To devote time or effort to a particular task or purpose. Describe, describe. To give an account in words of someone or something, including all the relevant characteristics, qualities, or events. Deteriorate, deteriorate. To become progressively worse. Determine. Determine. To cause something to occur in a particular way. To ascertain or establish exactly, typically as a result of research or calculation. Devise. Devise. To plan or invent a complex procedure, system, or mechanism by careful thought. Discriminate. Discriminate. To recognize a distinction. Differentiate. To treat a person or group differently or less favorably than others. Duplicate. Duplicate. To make an exact copy of. Eliminate. Eliminate. To completely remove or get rid of something. Enhance. Enhance. To intensify, increase, or further improve the quality, value, or extent of. Equate. Equate. To consider one thing to be the same as or equivalent to another. Expect. Expect. To regard something as likely to happen. Exploit. Exploit. To make full use of and derive benefit from a resource. To use a person or situation in an unfair or selfish way. Intend. Intend. To have a course of action as one's purpose or object. Invoke. Invoke. To cite or appeal to someone or something as an authority for an action or in support of an argument. To call earnestly for. Maintain. Maintain. To keep something in existence or at a given level or standard. Maximize. Maximize. To make as large or great as possible. Minimize. Minimize. To reduce something, especially something undesirable, to the smallest possible amount or degree. Motivate, motivate. To provide someone with a reason for doing something. Negotiate, negotiate. To try to reach an agreement or compromise by discussion with others. Observe, observe. To watch carefully the way something happens or the way someone does something. To notice. To obey. A law, rule, or custom. Perform, perform. To carry out, accomplish, or fulfill an action, task, or function. Postpone, postpone. To arrange for something to happen at a later time. Proceed, proceed. To come before something else, in time, order, or position. Predict, predict. To say or estimate that a specified thing will happen in the future or will be a consequence of something. Presume, presume. To take for granted that something exists or is true without proof. Prevail, prevail. To be widespread in a particular area at a particular time. Be current. To prove more powerful or superior. Prioritize, prioritize. To designate or treat something as being of greater importance than other things. Proceed, proceed. To begin or continue a course of action. Propose, propose. To put forward an idea or plan for consideration or discussion by others.